Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this web data platform called Bright Data. So let's quickly dive into it. Bright Data is one of the most powerful web data platforms in 2025, trusted by enterprise for its massive proxy tools, geo-targeting, and advanced tools for bypassing captures and detentions. It offers residential, mobile, ISP, and central proxy along with ready-made dataset and automation features, making it ideal for large-scale compliance-focused web data collection. Reliability, speed, and flexibilities are where Bright Data truly excel, giving business confidence in handling complex scraping needs at scale. The main drawback are its steep pricing and learning curve. Smaller teams or beginners may find it overwhelming and costly compared to lighter alternative. Some users also note occasional block on highly protected site, and a dashboard can feel complex to navigate. Still, for enterprise that demands scale, security, and advanced web data solution, Bright Data remains one of the very best platform this year. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.